Welcome back everyone, game time, and I couldn't resist another box of Chronicles Hobby. I just love this stuff too much, and I've done well with it. So, you know, as people who open boxes tend to do, you go back to the well when you do well with something. Sometimes that pays off, other times it does not. I'd say I've been pretty fortunate with this stuff, so I'm gonna probably keep going back for a little while anyways. I may pick up some boxes of 2017. The price has come down. I kept paying the higher price on 17 for probably longer than I should. The price is pretty good right now, so I may grab some of that. I don't know, it's hard to resist this because with that, the base cards are not nearly as valuable as the base cards are with this. So it makes it this much more appealing in my mind. Alright, we're going to start off with a Robles Studio, and this is, holy moly, it's a gold numbered out of 10. You can see the numbering there. It's a heck of a start. Wow, okay. And then we have a Verdugo Illusions rookie. And then we have a J.P. Crawford Prestige Cracked Ice numbered 5 out of 5. So, yeah, off to a rip-roaring start here. Wow. Okay. Wow. That's a great first pack. Clint Frazier, Phoenix, Ahmed Rosario, Contenders Optic, Arrieta base, Dominic Smith base rookie, and Nick Williams Classics rookie. Wow. Well, anything else I pull out of here is just gravy. Be careful, since maybe like a hot box, who knows. Alright, J.P. Crawford score. Here is a Devers parallel, good looking limited parallel to 199. Just a gorgeous card there. A Hoskins Rookies and Stars, Goldschmidt Prism, Scherzer Phoenix, a Walker Buehler to 49. Wow, look at that. Spectra triple threat pink patches. Good grief. That is sweet. JD Davis Studio and an Acuna Illusions. Alright, starting off with a Robles score. Kershaw Press Proof to 299. Beltry Limited. Oh nice, a Robles Crusade Hollow. That's a nice card. Andujar Select. Another nice card. Shane Bieber is my Spectra rookie. Sounds like the mailman's here. The dogs are going nuts. Rosario rookie and Rizzo status. Maybe the mailman has my other box of Bowman Chrome. That would be nice. Alright, Cabrera base Chronicles. An Otani base. Chris Bryant Classics. Here's a Austin Hayes Orange Crusade numbered out of 199. Good looking card there. Adamas Optic. Andrew Stevenson. This is my first one of these. Andrew Stevenson Crusade autograph. I have not pulled any of the Crusade autographs. Not numbered. Still a good looking card though. Alright, Devers and Kingery. Last 2 packs. If I can get into this one. There we go. Starting off with a Trout score. This is nice. A Gleyber Torres score blue parallel to 199. It's a nice card there. Robles Prestige. A Buster Posey Prism. Dominic Smith Blue Select. Man, I love the select colored cards. Love them. This is numbered to 149. A Paul Blackburn autograph. Phoenix. Walker Buehler Studio and another Gleyber Status. Last pack. This one feels thick. We may have another Spectra card in here. Let's see. Gonna start off with a Soto rated rookie. Hosmer base. Goldschmidt Prestige. Devers Crusade. Goldschmidt Phoenix Blue. That's to $2.99. We do have a Dominic Smith rookie Spectra. Nice thick stock card. Calhoun rookie and Ozzie Albies Status. So another good box. I cannot complain. The obviously Blackburn is not the best card you could get out of here, but the Crawford to 5 and the Robles to 10. Can't really complain about that. And I'm happy with the Crusade autograph, and the Walker Buehler triple threat is pretty sweet too. So yeah, I'm just going to keep on getting this stuff. It's the gift that keeps on giving. Thanks for watching, everybody. Please like and subscribe. I'll be back with my next break, which probably will be more Bowman Chrome soon.